Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. I've got an incredible video today. We are doing an unboxing event. Journeyman, I'm excited. That sounds kind of weird, but we'll get the hang of it. I'm excited because today I have an incredible unboxing video of the Neat Worker Bee, and we're going to hook it up. For context, we're using the RE20 right now, but we're going to hook it up here. You're going to watch the unboxing here in a second, and then we're going to, when we come back, it'll be hooked up to here, and you'll hear the difference in the microphones from the other, okay? Because I'll do like a test and say, here, I'm hooked up to this one, and then we'll go hook up to the next one. Now, I don't have a double hookup, so I can't go back and forth. So if I keep doing more of these unboxing videos, and if you like this video, you know what I mean, please let me know, and I'll do more of these. But I don't have a setup out here where I do two microphones. You know, I just have one microphone here and then one in my booth, the Sennheiser 416. But the Neat Worker Bee, I don't know. I'm taken back by this microphone. It's pretty cool. But, you know, the whole point to this video today is helping people in the gig economy, you know, growing our voiceover businesses, freelancers, and trying to get equipment that match where we are, what we're doing, just starting out, growing our voiceover businesses, and not having to spend an amazing amount of money, especially in today's society where, you know, I mean, stuff is just ridiculously expensive. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing of the Neat Worker Bee microphone, and then we'll go come back and then we'll get a test. All right, enjoy. Okay, so we have the Neat Bee. I'm super excited about this microphone. It's the Neat Bee Worker microphone, and we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this is how it comes. I didn't realize this, but they have a whole bunch of different types of microphones. They've also got something called the King Bee. But this is the Worker Bee from Neat. So we're going to be unboxing this, and then we're going to be hooking it up to that and testing it out and seeing how it sounds. Okay, so let's take a look inside. All right, so we open this thing up, and this is the first part here. We've got some stuff here. Get rid of that. Here we've got, it looks like the field guide. This is actually pretty cool. Kind of goes through this list of stuff in here and talks about it. And also it does have things to do with bees, because it talks about bees, and then it goes into the different mics that they have available. You know, of course, we're getting this mic. All right, so this is that. All right, now the first thing we see is the microphone right here. This is cool. So it comes in a package. Here is the microphone. It's really nice. Like, it's heavy. It feels really good. It's a USB microphone. There's not much to it, but I'm kind of blown away by how it feels. Like, this is metal. It's not plastic. This is the microphone. I guess it's right here. That's where the diaphragm is, but I'm actually pretty impressed with this, the way it feels. So this is the way it looks right here, just to start. It also comes with like a bumblebee, which is kind of funny. Let's see what we got here. Oh, something fell down. I'm trying to hold my hand, and that must have been the top that fell down in there. But we'll have to get that. But that looks like the bee. It looks like a spinner or something. I'm not sure. But we'll check out that more later. Okay, so here's the microphone. And then there's another piece to it. So if I pull this up and put this here, now down here we've got the, here, let me grab that and get that out of the way. Oh, that's a stand for it. So I guess it sits in the stand. All right, there we go. It's a bumblebee in the stand. I guess. I don't know. Was this supposed to sit in the stand? All right, there we go. All right, anyways, so now what we have here is we have the actual shock mount, which is super cool. By the way, you guys, this whole thing is only $79. So I can tell you right off the bat, I'm impressed just by the packaging that it's $79. You know, I mean, like, because the packaging is pretty decent. So this is the shock mount. The microphone's just going to go right in there. Let's get rid of that. And that's where the microphone will sit. Looks like these two pieces hook onto the bottom of that microphone, and it just sits like this. That goes into your shock mount. Now, the cool thing about this too is, looks like there's some extra clips in here for the bottom of this, I guess, in case you lose those, which is nice. But now, interesting thing is here, this is another, I mean, this is just really cool. I think it's cool. So this is a pop filter that goes onto this right here. So we have this pop filter literally fits right onto this thing right here, which is just cool. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so of course, but it clips on to that, and now you've got a pop filter for your worker bee, which is super cool. That is really cool. By the way, again, this is $79. So the proof is going to be in the pudding, right? Whether or not, so this is how it will sit, how it sounds, but this is going to be the look of it. It's pretty darn cool. All right, so we're going to go over here and test this puppy out and see how it sounds. All right, let's take a look. Cool. Okay, so this is a test of me talking with this microphone, and I just want to make it give a little bit of extra time me talking here, so that when I go back and start working here with the worker bee, that you can tell the difference. Okay, so we are connected with the Neat Worker Bee. You are hearing me now through the Neat Worker Bee. I couldn't hook it up here because that thing is just kind of old, and it's not doing its job. But anyways, I hooked it up here. We've got the pop filter on. Now you're hearing what it sounds like. And I recorded some just a little bit before on my DAW, and it sounds, I'm pretty impressed with the way it sounds. So you can listen back, I guess, to how it sounds before to how it sounds now, and I don't know, it sounds pretty good. I'm impressed with it. Again, it's real nice. You've got the pop filter here. It plugs in super simple. You've got this nice shock mount, and let me get this out of the way. So, you know, this is what it looks like right here. I'm definitely keeping about, you know, about 4 inches distance from the microphone, you know, and I have it at an angle because, you know, I always like to speak forward, especially when doing videos or just looking at my copy. But this is kind of, I'm actually really excited about it. It's kind of neat, and it's a lot lower profile than, you know, some of the bigger microphones. And again, it's $79, which is insanity. So I'm pretty impressed with it. And again, I'm not even in my booth. You know, I wanted to do it outside of my booth in my recording space here, or my editing space. And the reason why is because I wanted to do it in a space that is semi-treated but not super treated. And the reason why I said that is because I think most of us start in places where, you know, we do the best that we can with our treatment, and it's okay, it's decent, but it's not like a home built, I mean, it's not a pre-built or a studio quality built booth yet. You know what I mean? You know, we're using packing blankets, we're using foam in a room. I mean, other than, you know, actually building out you know, tight airtight seams and insulation and all the nine. So I wanted to do it in this space where it's still treated pretty decently, but it's not super treated. So I actually really like this microphone. I hope you do too. Again, this is the Neat Worker Bee. I wanted to kind of, I don't know, you to see the front part of it here. So that's how it looks. And I'm actually sorry. I've got my tripod out here trying to move this thing around, but I'm actually pretty impressed with this microphone, and I think it sounds pretty good. You be the judge. Let me know. And again, this is the Neat Worker Bee. I mean, $79. I can't get over still $79, and you get all that stuff, and it sounds pretty decent. And I think hopefully, you know, you might feel the same way, and it's a great place to start. Way better than the Snowball that I started with, and it has its own pop filter. You don't have to use pantyhose and a wire coat hanger like I did. So check it out and let me know in the comments what you think. I'm interested. And if you want me to do more of these, let me know and give me some mic examples, and I'll check it out. And I want to look at some other equipment too, not just microphones. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the Neat Worker Bee. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.